Wagwan world, welcome again into another episode of The Reasoning with Trying Youths. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video then. So today I pray the youths them, I pray we, the younger generation. I get what I say, and I hope we are learn from the lockdown thing that we are going. For we realize we need to put the thing them in a order, we need to get the thing them in a gear. Cause see it now lockdown, no money now make. We can't touch the road. And all who never put no money together, who never save no money. We got some party from last year come right up. Be a party, we are flash money, we are run money pull up, we are do a lot of things, and we know enough of we never save enough money. We should have saved. Remember, you have to enjoy yourself, we have to flash and party because we're young and we don't have the full responsibility there yet. But at the same time, we have to realize we have to prepare for tomorrow because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So enough of them money that we probably spend off, we probably should have saved them. So right now we could have stand firmer and we could have better off help ourselves. So we have to remember to always prepare for your rainy day. It means the rain go fall literally, but it just mean the harder day them will come. Now, whole heap of people probably say, yo, I'm not safe for no rainy day and me I live for today, I not live for tomorrow. But at the end of the day, if you go say I live for today alone, that means you plan for dead tonight. You get me? You know, plan for see tomorrow. Me I plan for see tomorrow. You understand? So that means we have to put down a little much for tomorrow. So when we collect a paycheck, we have to take out the little rent the first. You know what I mean? We have to take out the food money. We have to take out the picnic maintenance money. We have to take out mommy money. Put on the money there before we start thinking about the party money. We can't take out the party money first. We have to get our priority them straight as young youths. You understand? And we know say we're young so we want to look good. But brother, in a sense, we try and live like the entertainer them and try to wear Bay Clarks and Gucci and Prada. Because at the end of the day, them can make 100,000 in a one night or 200,000 in a one night. While me and you would look 9 to 5. That's why I make look 5 grand or look 15 grand for a week. That now go allow we to have things if we're not smart. You get me? I say, make we start think about the house from now before we get old. We now wait till we are 40 if you think about the house. Make we think about the house from now, from in our 20s, and start make plans from now. You get what I say? And we need to lower out some girl we're not really interested in now. Only because we look good then. Because we are wear Clarks and we are wear Louis Vuitton and we are wear Polo. That's why them see we. If because me hope you see me, don't see me. I could check for some girl, we check for when we don't have nothing. So we know say if we drop back and we face them girl, they go there to see and we have to help with. If you have a girl and you have to spend on her to keep her, brother, it don't make no sense. You have to try to get yourself a girl where I got there with you through thick and thin, where nothing go on. You get what I say? And we out there, we are flash, we are by be a Prada and we are by be a Gucci, and yet still, when we are left out of house, we are left out of our parents' house. Not even a room we not add on. No, brother, if you can't build a house, at least add on a room for your parents' place now. That's if your girl come check you. Say she want to spend a weekend, she can come. She knows say she have her own room and bathroom and she a building. She can walk naked if she want. And you feel comfortable. No, we don't feel nice for you carrying a woman in her house and your mother door there right next door to you. Anything will go on in your little quarters, your mother hear what go on. That's not nice, brother. So I could try get them things in our brain. Could try own some things from we young. You get what I say? Save our money, buy a little bike, buy a little car. Get some animals too if you live in the country. We can't live in our country, brother, and not have nothing. Some of we live in our country and we don't have no work. You see me? We just do a yard every day and big piece of land around our back. Brother, farming, nothing wrong with farming. Some of we are going like we can't dirty up our hand. You see me? Nothing wrong with farming. Because right now food have to eat. And when you have food, you have to sell, brother. Because people have to eat food. You see me? So if you're there in your yard and you don't have a job, you can't say nothing go on, brother. Make something go on. Grow on a back with a iron fork and go plant some things, brother. Plant some catch crop, plant some callaloo, plant some pop chow. Make something go on. Them little thing they can turn some money. Buy a one goat. You see me? Buy a one cow. You get what I say? And go on, do your little thing. You see what I say? We can't just dead and now make plans for the future. We have to try to own some assets. You get what I say? Like, subscribe and share. As I say, my message them are just for we the youth, because right now the way I see it, we now uplift ourselves as youth, You get what I say? And that we need to do. We need to set up ourselves. We need to set up shop. You see me? The whole of the man them come tell we say, oh, if you set up shop. And we not do it. You get what I say? Try some entrepreneurship, brother. If not now go on, you have to find something for go on. And you have to make something go on. We can't depend upon the government them who not help us, brother. You see me? Yeah, and the big man them where you're elder, you're a bigger man. You see me? When you see the youth them make some mistake, when you supposed to can call a youth one side and say, yo, youth, see a thing where you're not on the right, you know. You get me? Someone who knows say a youth buy a one bike or buy a one car, when you start say, yo, a scam in him do, or a this in do, or a that in do. Or you can't say a save the youth, save the money. You know, you can't say that. Not because you waste your days, you know, and never do nothing with your days, you know. That means you have to find a fault to do a man do it for him thing, you know. You don't have to find a fault. Encourage the youth them. You see me? Tell the youth them, say, yo, brother, thumbs up, you know, I love how you buy a little car, I love how you buy a little bike. Take care, right? Stop sit down on the veranda and watch the youth them and wish them crash and wish them car mash up. Just because when you are for them, you never won that. You see me? And you're a big man now and you still not won that. But if you cut out that man, you see me? Someone too bad mind. You get what I say? One of happy for people, brother. Happy for people. And help people too. You get what I say? Big up the youth them when the youth them arise. You see me? Show the youth them, offer the youth them a word of advice. You get what I say? And stop, go around the youth them and block the youth them traffic too. You see me? Because if you have some link. And the link can't work for you. Because you're too old now. You see me? The link grew past you. And before you drop the link on a younger youth and say, yo, you see a link here, youth, run with it. You don't lock off the link them until the link them get stagnant, the link them grow rust, the link them can't work again. When you get the link them and the link them now work for, you run the link them on a younger youth, make the youth them jump out on the link. And the same youth or your boss, I am going to make a money and come back and say, yo, father, say a thing here, you know, because you make me earn this, you see me? And the youth them too, don't be ungrateful either, you know. Get me, don't be ungrateful. So when a man help you, remember say that man did help you. You get me, as a show back some respect. Now say you're obligated to a man, you know, because a man help you, you know. You're not obligated to a man, but at the same time, you can show back some respect, show some appreciation back to a man when a man help you. You get what I say? Subscribe and like, you see me? Share the video then. You get what I say? Try Youth Entertainment, Try Youth Promotion. One link for me them. Subscribe, like. Try Youth out.